You won't believe I made this short video right here in less than 3 minutes.
Sticky notes and half-finished tasks. One day, coffee cup in hand, she spotted a colorful file organizer at a nearby shop.
Alright, let's be honest. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought to yourself that, how is it possible for this person to be posting daily and still have time to breathe? Well, here is what you never thought about. They might not even be a real person. And if they are real, have you ever thought about their content? They are definitely powered by AI. And the secret sauce behind it, Short.ai. In case you don't know, Short.ai is an AI-powered platform that lets you create Reddit story videos, fake text conversations, juicy dialogues, and even full-blown AI generated video content, all with just a few clicks. Yep, a few clicks. No need to act, no need to write scripts, no need to record your voice, and no need to spend time editing while questioning your life choices. Short.ai does it all for you. It even automatically generates your videos and posts it on social media for you. This can happen while you sit back and relax, and I don't know, maybe you can spend that time visiting cinema or eating snacks. So whether you're a YouTuber, a TikToker, or just someone who dreams of going viral without actually showing their face, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Now tell me, are you ready to blow up the internet without leaving your bed? Then smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel so we can dive into it. To get started, the first thing I will need you to do right now is to click on the link right in the description below. I'll also be adding it to the pinned comment below. After clicking the link, you will be brought down here. So the first thing you need to do is to click on start creating for free. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your Short.ai account, and since you don't have an account yet, you can just click on sign up. Then you'll be brought to the sign up page. You can either sign up with your Google account, which doesn't take time at all, or you can sign up with your email address and password. If I were you, I'll probably sign up with my Google account because I don't get time to waste. Now that you're signed up, you'll be returned back to the home page. Then for the second time, you click on start creating for free again. Now you are redirected to your dashboard where you can find some templates like Reddit story, fake text, all story videos, then AI tools like caption generator, video to text, text to speech, and also popular templates, like the one that create fake text, AI story videos, Reddit stories, etc. Just so many of them. And it also has different kind of animation styles like, cartoon and all that. So whichever you are interested in, all you have to do is to click on create new. Now after clicking on create new, you'll be asked the kind of scripts you want them to generate for you, like an interesting history, long form jokes, bedtime stories, scary stories, life pro tips, LI5, philosophy, motivational, fun fact, urban legend. So whichever script you want to use, just click on use it. Like now I'll be using philosophy script, so I'll prefer clicking on use it on philosophy. Then on the next page, you'll be asked to select the language you want it to be narrated in, the video starting hook. If you want it to have a custom hook like the one that was already there by default, you can definitely type it right in that box. And if you are not thinking of any hook right now, then just leave it there. AI will definitely generate the hook for you. And also the video ending, like call to action, probably you want to tell people to subscribe to the channel, or probably to click on a particular link to perform some task on some website and all of that. You can definitely put that down here, or you can just leave it like that if you want the AI to take over. Then the script length, I personally love it when my short videos are between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. It makes a lot of sense. So I would just like to leave it at 30 to 60 seconds. Then the next thing you need to do right now is to click on generate script. Now that your script is generated, you can carefully read through. If you feel like there's a mistake, you can change it, can make some adjustment to it to make it more realistic. All right, then once you are satisfied with the script, you can click next. Now on the next page, you are asked to choose the kind of subtitle templates that you want. I would prefer choosing this right here, although I've been using others, but I want to use this for the purpose of this video. Okay, then after selecting it, you just click next. Then on the next page, you are asked to select an audio. Now you can search by voice. You can choose whether you want a male or a female voice. You can choose the age range, maybe an older person, a younger person, or a middle-aged person. And as well, you can select the person's language as well. So So I'll be selecting one of these beautiful voices here, and also I can choose whether I want it to have a background music or I don't want it to have a background music. So it's just as simple as that. Meanwhile, if you want to be sure that you actually pick the right voice you want, you can definitely play a preview of that particular voice right here. You'll get familiar with the kind of voice you're about to use for your content. So then after that, you click generate video. Then the video will start generating, though it doesn't take long, but depending on the length of the video and the network signal of your location, then that will determine the duration at which the video will be generating. Now, if you're feeling too bored and you feel like it's taking long, or probably you want to create more AI content on this website, all you have to do is to click back home or click create new. But in my own case, I'm not creating a new one. I just want to go back home and explore more of the features. So I'll just click back home and I'll be directed back to the dashboard where I can pick more of the features and use, like the text to speech, the video to text, etc. Now, if you have nothing to do and you want to go back where your video are being generated, all you have to do is to click on my project down here. Then when you click on my project, it will bring you here to your previous project. For instance, the video I showed earlier in this video is this particular one right here, and this one that is still generating is this one right here. So all you have to do is to click on the one that is currently generating so you can see the progress, and as you can see, it's in 91.5%. then it has completely generated. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on download. Now once you click on download, the video will start downloading. It doesn't take time, and when your video get downloaded, no one is holding you back from posting it on your social media.
What is truth if it is shaped by hands unseen? In a quiet town, two friends sat on a worn bench. One, a painter, spoke of colors and shadows. The other, a poet, pondered words and meanings. They debated the essence of reality.
Now, the big question many people have been asking me is that, is Short.ai absolutely free? And I can tell you, no, it's not absolutely free. There are some plans and pricing that will help you enjoy more of the features, like the $19 per month basic plan, and the pro plan, which is $30 per month, and the enterprise plan, which is $60 per month. Though I would recommend that you go for the $30 per month plan because that's my favorite. It has so many features that you can definitely start with. And if you want to go for the yearly plan, it's just $25, which makes a lot of sense. I kid you not, by the time you subscribe to any of this plan and you are able to make consistent video for 30 days, just 30 days videos, there's no way you will not grow a faceless channel that will be making you a lot of money, because consistency is definitely the key. So if you're thinking about when to get started or how to get started, I'll suggest you get started right now, because that's just the best option for you right now. Get started right now. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this particular AI, do not hesitate to drop it right in the comment section below. I'll definitely be there to respond to you. And if you eventually make a video and upload on YouTube, drop the link right in the comment section below too. It will also help to boost your video, and I'll definitely give you a shout out in my next content about faceless YouTube videos. So whatever you do, never stop making money.